Hi, Kelly here from freebiefindingmom.com, and today I'm going to share with you how you can get about $400 worth of essential oils and a diffuser for just about $140. So first things first is, as you watch this video, if you will please give it a like or a heart, I would appreciate it. And if you find the video helpful for you, if you could share it to your Facebook page, I would appreciate that as well. So let's go ahead and get started, because I would say 3 of the most popular questions that I get asked most frequently are: number 1, what's included in the Young Living Essential Oils Premium Starter Kit? Number 2 is, how do we use these oils? And then the third thing I get asked a lot is how do I get my kit? So I'm gonna try my best to answer each of those questions today, but that's not to say that if you still have questions after watching this video, you are more than welcome to message me, send me an email, or you can always leave a comment down below and I will get back with you and answer your question the best I can. So first things first, what is included in the Young Living Essential Oils Premium Starter Kit? Well, you get 12 of the best and some of the highest quality of essential oils you can buy. Here's 10 of them. Here are the other 2. These 2 are Peace and Calming and Stress Away, and they're going to be at the bottom of your kit. The kit is this box. This is the new kit this year, actually. And when you pick up this in the oils, these oils, you pick this part off, and then down below is where the rest of your kit will be, including those 2 oils I just showed you. So I will go through each one of these oils with you in just a second, but you're gonna get, in your kit, you'll get 12 essential oils. You will also get your choice of diffusers. This is the Desert Mist diffuser. I don't know if you can see, it kind of has a really pretty sort of Moroccan trellis design. You could also choose the Dewdrop diffuser. I have both, I like both. The Desert Mist is the more of the newer version. It has some really neat light features and color features, and it's just more, I would say, the more recent upgraded model, but you can also choose the Dewdrop if you want. So those are the 2 options. You can upgrade the kit if you want to and get like the Aria diffuser, but to be honest, most people start with, usually I would say, the Desert Mist diffuser. So you're gonna get a diffuser, you're gonna get the 12 essential oils, you're also going to get, I'm so glad they include it now, the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. So if you are like me, who a lot of times hand sanitizers or purifiers would really dry out my skin, I love the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier because it does not do that to me. So you will get this in the kit as well. Also included in the kit is, where are my samples? Here they are. You'll get to try the Ningxia Red. If you don't know what that is, or if you haven't tried it yet, Ningxia Red is Young Living's most powerful antioxidant drink. It is incredibly nutritious for you, and for the kids can drink this too. You'll get 2 packets of this. This is loaded with vitamins and minerals, and like I said, my son can take this, your son can take that, your kids can take it, and it's a tiny amount. You might need an ounce or 2 each day, and it's packed with nutrition for them. So you will get this in the kit as well to sample, and I'm so excited they also give you a sample of the Thieves Household Cleaner. It's what we use